bead on good. Slide up to the root and turn. We need that slack. See, that one's a little bit too tight. You see how it sticks out? You go in with my Microlink needle and just loosen it up a little bit. Slide it down a little bit. Get your slack in there. And turn. And last section, guys. You want to leave that little bit of hair out on the side, so if they want to ponytail the hair, they can. I don't necessarily recommend it, but it is an option they have. We're going to measure that first part, see where that bend is. We're going from there to there. That's our first section. What we're basically going to do, guys, we're going to take that section of hair, we're going to put that under there. See that? We're going to sew that there, and then we're going to sew that over. And it gives us a nice put that in there. So we're going to be sewing that there. So what we're going to do is go in and boom. Close that. As you can see, guys, with my invisible top stitch, you cannot see any of the thread coming out and running across the hair. Also makes it a lot easier to cover, as you can see, and it keeps the client from accidentally grabbing onto that top thread if you're dragging the thread across the top of the hair. So you come out and go right back in where you came out, so where you don't have anything to grab. What I like to do with the kinky straight hair, guys, kinky curly, is I like to go through one time my oil and do one pass for straightening. And then I'll blend it with her hair. And go back in and do my curl.
And there you have it, guys. What I like to do is I like to go through, and as I'm applying my sections, I will go ahead and curl the hair as I go. This is a wonderful technique, totally undetectable, and with the right hair, it's really just a great service if your client wants to add some volume, wants to add a little length, but still want their natural hair. And it's a very lucrative service. On this particular service, I'm only putting in about 4 tracks, which is basically 8 tracks of hair. And I usually charge somewhere between $50 and $75 per track, plus the shampoo and style. And as you can see, the finished product, absolutely gorgeous.